This is ALCATEL T110 Smart, and today I would like to show how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So first step is to launch the keyboard itself. Then at the top toolbar, find and tap at the gear looking icon that will bring you directly to the Gboard settings page. From here, enter preferences and turn on the toggle in front of a number row option. And once I will launch the keyboard again, you'll see that the separate number line above keyboard characters was successfully added. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.